Building your own personal brand is not an easy task. How about starting with understanding your core values first? Your background, beliefs, values, and actions determine your outcomes. It might be helpful for your brand to reflect the values you live by and will also contribute to your perceived integrity. Follow this tutorial, pause it when necessary, and create your own trio of values to understand where you're coming from. We'll start with your background. The soil, your surroundings, your childhood, your community. These are some of the influences that made you who you are. You might decide to go against them, but it doesn't change the fact that these factors have influenced you. Be as specific as possible. Maybe you grew up religious, had a challenging childhood, lived in an affluent neighborhood or in a disadvantaged area. Now let's think about your roots, your beliefs. What are some mottos you live by? What are the statements you strongly believe in? What holds the most importance? Here are some examples that may apply to you. I believe in striving for sustainability. Sharing is caring. All children should have the right to good quality education, etc. Let's move to the core of your tree, your core values. Core values are the guiding principles that define your identity and your choices. Pick 2 indisputable values that you identify with. Is it freedom, development, love, maybe financial security and integrity, relationships, faith, beauty, cooperation? There are many values to choose from. Your actions can speak louder than words. The branches of the tree represent your actions, the habits that are important to you. It can be helping the local community, taking care of your physical health, maybe expressing yourself through art, doing voluntary work, or educating yourself in a specific field. When you establish your actions, think about the fruits they bring. What are the direct or indirect outcomes of the activities you perform? Not everything is in our power. You might be unable to control the outcomes and they might not always be positive. Still, try to be objective. If you have followed this tutorial, you can now see your completed tree of values. Analyze it. What decisions support its growth and what stunts it? Do you feel like your actions represent you and your brand? Use this tool every so often to monitor your progress. Good luck and happy exploring!